In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use transcription in Google Meet, a handy feature that can enhance collaboration and communication during your virtual meetings. We'll walk through this process step by step and make sure you understand how to enable live captions for better meeting accessibility and engagement. First, we'll need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing Google Meet in the search bar. Alternatively, you can visit meet.google.com directly. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account to access all the features. Google Meet is a fantastic tool for hosting video conferences, and using its built-in features like transcription can significantly enhance your meeting experience. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, look for the Start an Instant Meeting button. It's generally positioned near the center of your screen and is pretty prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. By clicking on this button, you'll immediately launch a new meeting. This is a great option when you need to quickly set up a meeting without any pre-scheduled events. Keep in mind that once your meeting is live, you have access to various controls and settings designed to empower your session. With your meeting now active, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the meeting screen. You'll find an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on it to open a list of additional settings. This menu offers several enhancements to your meeting management, from changing layout views to fine-tuning your audio and video settings. It's where you'll find the key option for enabling transcription, among other useful features. Now, from this More Options menu, you want to locate and click on the CC button. This button stands for Closed Captions and is crucial for turning on the transcription feature. When you click on CC, Google Meet will begin displaying live captions of the spoken conversation at the bottom of the meeting interface. This feature is particularly valuable for participants who are hard of hearing, non-native speakers, or those who might be in a noisy environment. It can also be a helpful tool for note-taking and ensuring that everyone stays on the same page during discussions. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled transcription in Google Meet. By using live captions, everyone in your meeting can follow along more easily, and it can help prevent misunderstandings or miscommunications. Remember that while the transcription feature is quite accurate, it might occasionally struggle with complex jargon or heavy accents. So keeping an eye on context is always a good idea. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to use this tool in your next meeting to enhance accessibility and effectiveness. Happy meeting!